Hey there, language lovers, and welcome to Idioms Insight, the podcast where we supercharge your English with practical tips to speak with clarity and confidence. I'm your host, Jice, and today we're diving into a topic that'll take your conversations to the next level: basic versus advanced vocabulary. Boost your English speaking skills. We all lean on certain everyday words a bit too much, don't we? Words like good, bad, or do are fine, but they can make your speech feel flat. In this episode, we're swapping out 12 commonly used daily words for one or two advanced alternatives to help you sound sharper and more engaging. Whether you're chatting with friends, acing a job interview, or presenting an idea, these upgrades will make you stand out. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's get started. Why upgrade your vocabulary? Simple. Words shape how people see you. Basic words get the job done, but advanced ones add precision, personality, and polish. Instead of saying the book was good, imagine saying the book was captivating. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. It gets you there faster and in style. Today we'll swap out 12 overused words, give you one or two advanced alternatives for each, and share tips to make them part of your everyday speech. The goal? To help you sound natural, not like you're reading from a dictionary. Ready? Let's dive into the word swaps. Why advanced vocabulary matters. Before we get to the swaps, let's talk about why this matters. Advanced vocabulary makes you sound articulate, helps you express exact meanings, and boosts your confidence in any conversation. Whether you're persuading a client, explaining an idea, or just joking with friends, the right words make you memorable. But here's the key. You need to use these words correctly and in the right context. Throwing in big words just to impress can backfire and make you sound unnatural. So as we go through these swaps, I'll explain what each word means and when to use it to keep your speech authentic and impactful. Basic versus advanced vocabulary. Here's the fun part. Swapping out 12 daily words for advanced alternatives. For each word, I'll give you one or two replacements, explain their meaning, and share an example to show how they work. These are words we use all the time, so let's make them shine. Here we go. 1. Good, advanced alternatives. Good is everyone's go-to, but it's vague. Try these. Excellent means high quality or outstanding. Example, instead of the food was good, say the food was excellent, bursting with flavor. Captivating suggests something grabs attention in an engaging way. Example, her story was captivating, keeping us hooked till the end. 2. Bad, advanced alternatives. Bad doesn't tell the full story. Upgrade with these. Detrimental indicates something causes harm. Example, instead of laziness is bad for progress, say laziness is detrimental to progress. Substandard means below expected quality. Example, the product's quality was substandard and disappointing. 3. Big, advanced alternatives. Big is overused and vague. Try these instead. Substantial suggests a large amount or significant impact. Example, instead of we had a big success, say, we achieved a substantial success. Immense indicates something is extremely large. Example, the crowd support was immense, filling the arena. 4. Small, advanced alternatives. Small can feel underwhelming. Here's how to level up. Modest suggests something is small in a humble way. Example, instead of they made a small effort, say, they made a modest effort that still helped. Negligible means so small it's almost insignificant. Example, The mistake had a negligible impact on the results. 5. Happy. Advanced alternatives. Happy is great but overused. Try these. Elated suggests intense joy or excitement. Example, instead of I'm happy about the news, or say I'm elated about the opportunity. Jubilant implies lively, triumphant joy. Example, the team was jubilant after winning the championship. 6. Sad. Advanced alternatives. Sad lacks depth. Here are better options. Melancholy suggests a deep, reflective sadness. Example, instead of I felt sad today, say I felt a sense of melancholy this morning. Despondent implies hopelessness or low spirits. Example, she was despondent after the setback. 7. Get. Advanced alternatives. Get is a catch-all verb. Swap it with these. Acquire means to gain or obtain something. Example, instead of I got a new job, say I acquired a new position. Attain suggests reaching a goal or achievement. Example, she attained her dream of studying abroad. 8. Say. Advanced alternatives. Say is functional but plain. Try these. Articulate means to express clearly and effectively. Example, instead of he said his opinion, say he articulated his opinion confidently. Convey suggests communicating a feeling or idea. Example, her words convey deep gratitude. 9. Do. Advanced alternatives. Do is another all-purpose word. Upgrade it with execute, suggests carrying out a task with precision. Example, instead of we did the project, say we executed the project flawlessly. Accomplish implies completing something successfully. Example, he accomplished the task ahead of schedule. 10. Think. Advanced alternatives. Think is versatile but basic. Try these. Contemplate suggests deep or reflective thought. Example, instead of I'm thinking about my plans, say I'm contemplating my future plans. Ponder implies thoughtful consideration. Example, she pondered the decision carefully. 11. Like. Advanced alternatives. Like is overused when describing preferences. Here's how to swap it. Appreciate suggests valuing or enjoying something thoughtfully. Example, instead of I like this song, say I appreciate this song's melody. Admire implies respect or high regard. Example, I admire her dedication to her work. 12. Want. Advanced alternatives. Want can sound demanding or plain. Try these. Desire suggests a strong wish or longing. Example, instead of I want to travel, say I desire to explore new cultures. Aspire implies aiming for a goal with ambition. Example, she aspires to become a leader in her field. These swaps add precision and flair. For example, captivating is perfect for stories or experiences, while aspire fits ambitious goals. Practice one or two of these in your next conversation to feel the difference. So how do you make these words part of your daily speech without sounding like you're trying too hard? Here are 5 quick tips. Pick a few. Start with 1 or 2 words, like excellent or articulate. Use them in sentences for a week to build confidence. Check context. Use a dictionary to ensure the word fits. For example, despondent is for deep sadness, not a minor letdown. Practice aloud. Write 3 sentences for each word and say them out loud. For example, I executed the plan with precision. This helps the words stick. Listen and learn. Tune into podcasts like Idioms Insight, watch English movies, or read articles from The Guardian. Notice how native speakers use these words. Try in real life. Use your new words in casual chats, emails, or social media. Ask a friend for feedback to make sure you're sounding natural. Don't worry about slip-ups. If you use immense wrong, Learn from it and keep going. Practice makes perfect. Transition sound effect. Section 4, quick practice exercise. Let's wrap up with a fun exercise. I'll give you a sentence with basic words, and I want you to pause and rewrite it with advanced alternatives. Here's the sentence. I like the book, it's good, and I want to read more. Pause now and swap like, good, and want. Here's my version. I appreciate the book, it's captivating, and I desire to read more. Transition sound effect. That's a wrap for today's episode of Idioms Insight. We've swapped 12 everyday words: good, bad, big, small, happy, sad, get, say, do, think, like, and want, for advanced alternatives like excellent, detrimental, substantial, modest, elated, melancholy, acquire, articulate, execute, contemplate, appreciate, and desire. These upgrades will make your English more precise and engaging. Your challenge? Pick 2 words and use them in 5 sentences this week. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Idioms Insight, leave a review, and press the bell icon for more videos. Got a topic you want us to cover? Let us know. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining with Idioms Insight. This is Jais signing off. Catch you in the next episode.